Passive income ideas you can start today. Welcome to the Wealth Echelon, your ultimate destination for mastering personal finance, building wealth, and achieving financial freedom. Whether you're a beginner looking to budget smarter, an aspiring investor exploring the stock market, or someone seeking practical strategies for debt reduction, this channel is here to guide you every step of the way. Join us as we break down complex financial concepts into simple, actionable steps. Expect expert tips, proven strategies, and real-world examples to help you take control of your money and unlock your financial potential. Subscribe now and start your journey to financial mastery, one smart decision at a time. In today's fast-paced world, having a single source of income is no longer enough. Passive income allows you to earn money with minimal ongoing effort, giving you financial security and freedom. Whether you want to supplement your current income or eventually replace it entirely, here are 10 passive income ideas you can start today. 1. Invest in dividend stocks. Many well-established companies pay out a portion of their profits as dividends. By investing in dividend-paying stocks, you can receive regular income while your investments appreciate in value. Dividend stocks are often considered a safe investment because they come from stable, reputable companies. Additionally, reinvesting dividends can further accelerate wealth growth. Platforms like Robinhood and Vanguard make it easy to start with minimal capital, making this an accessible option for beginners and experienced investors alike. Researching and diversifying your portfolio with high-yield dividend stocks can help create a consistent income stream over time. Long-term investors who focus on strong companies with a history of increasing dividends can build a steady source of passive income that grows over time. 2. Own rental properties. Rental properties provide a steady stream of income, but they require an initial investment. The key to success in rental property investing is selecting the right location with high demand. If managing tenants and property maintenance seems overwhelming, hiring a property management company can make this source of passive income even easier. Real estate investments can appreciate over time, adding to your wealth while generating monthly cash flow. Additionally, rental income can be increased through property upgrades and short-term rentals like Airbnb. Financing options like real estate investment loans can help make property ownership more accessible for aspiring investors. Additionally, investing in multifamily properties or vacation rentals can diversify your income streams and maximize your earnings potential. 3. Create and sell an online course. If you have expertise in a specific area, you can create an online course and sell it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. The beauty of online courses is that they require effort only during the initial creation phase. Once uploaded, they can generate income for years as long as there is demand. Course topics range from business and technology to cooking and fitness, making it possible for anyone to find a niche. Marketing your course through social media and a personal website can increase sales and maximize revenue. Many successful course creators also offer supplementary content, such as downloadable worksheets or premium coaching sessions, to increase their earnings. Providing continuous updates and bonus materials can also help retain students and encourage positive reviews, leading to more enrollments. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Blogging and YouTube can be profitable if monetized through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsorships. A well-established blog or YouTube channel can provide consistent passive revenue. The key to success is creating high-quality, engaging content that attracts an audience. Over time, organic traffic from search engines can bring in steady ad revenue. Additionally, evergreen content that remains relevant over time, ensures continuous passive income. While it takes time to build an audience, once you have a loyal following, monetization opportunities will increase. Partnering with brands and leveraging influencer marketing can also be a powerful way to boost earnings. You can also create membership programs or exclusive content for your subscribers, generating a recurring income stream through platforms like Patreon or YouTube memberships. 5. Sell digital products. Digital products such as ebooks, templates, stock photos, music, and printables require minimal maintenance and can be sold repeatedly without additional costs. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Shopify make it easy to reach a global audience. Unlike physical products, Digital products don't require inventory or shipping, reducing overhead costs. The more high-quality products you create, the greater your passive income potential. Additionally, bundling digital products into comprehensive packages can increase perceived value and boost sales. Successful digital entrepreneurs often refine their products based on customer feedback to ensure long-term success. Offering limited-time discounts and seasonal promotions can also drive more sales and increase profitability. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services. Through affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank, you can earn a percentage of sales generated through your referral links. This works particularly well if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a strong social media presence. The key to success is selecting products that align with your audience's interests and providing valuable content around them. Writing product reviews, comparison articles, and tutorials can help drive conversions and increase affiliate income. Additionally, using email marketing and building an engaged audience can significantly boost your affiliate earnings over time. Creating high-quality, informative content that solves a problem for your audience will help establish trust and increase conversion rates. 7. Start a print-on-demand business. Print-on-demand businesses allow you to design and sell custom merchandise like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases without handling inventory or shipping. Platforms like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring handle fulfillment, and you earn a commission on each sale. This is a great option for creative individuals who want to monetize their designs. Since products are only made when an order is placed, there is no upfront inventory cost, making it a low-risk business model. Successful sellers focus on trending and evergreen niches to maximize sales. Leveraging social media advertising and influencer collaborations can further enhance your store's visibility. Running seasonal promotions and limited edition designs can also boost sales and create urgency among buyers. 8. Invest in crowdfunded real estate. Real estate investing doesn't always require purchasing physical property. Platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to invest in commercial and residential real estate projects without the hassle of property management. Investors pool their money together to fund real estate deals and receive passive income through dividends and property appreciation. This is a great option for those who want to benefit from real estate without significant capital or hands-on involvement. Additionally, crowdfunding provides diversification by allowing you to invest in multiple properties at once. Many platforms also offer tools to track earnings and optimize your investment strategy. Investing in different types of real estate assets, such as apartment complexes, commercial buildings, or industrial properties, can provide a balanced and steady income stream. 9. License your creative work. If you're a photographer, musician, designer, or writer, you can license your work on stock platforms like Shutterstock, Pond5, and Adobe Stock. Every time someone downloads or uses your work, you earn royalties. This passive income stream is ideal for creatives who produce high-quality work that remains in demand. Popular niches include business imagery, lifestyle photography, and unique soundtracks. Licensing agreements can be structured to generate recurring income, providing long-term earnings from a single piece of work. Some creators also leverage exclusive licensing deals to maximize their earnings from premium content. Creating niche-specific content that caters to high-demand markets, such as corporate visuals or cinematic music tracks, can help generate more downloads and income. 10. Automate a dropshipping business. Using Shopify and Oberlo, you can run an online store without holding inventory. Dropshipping allows you to sell products directly from suppliers, and they handle fulfillment, including storage and shipping. While customer service and marketing require some effort, automation tools make it possible to run a dropshipping store with minimal daily involvement. Successful dropshipping businesses focus on high-demand niches and use digital marketing strategies, such as Facebook ads and search engine optimization, to drive sales. Identifying reliable suppliers and offering outstanding customer service can help sustain long-term profitability in this business model. Testing different product niches and analyzing consumer trends can help identify the most profitable products for your store. Passive income is not about getting rich overnight, but with the right strategy and consistency, you can build multiple streams of revenue. Each of these ideas has its own benefits and challenges, So it's important to choose one that aligns with your skills, interests, and investment capacity. Start today and take a step towards financial freedom. By dedicating time to learning and optimizing your passive income strategies, you can create a reliable source of financial security that allows you to enjoy more flexibility and independence in your life. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more wealth building insights. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for updates.